Hey, it's Bill here with Immaculate Paint Protection. About midweek here, it's getting close to closing time. We got a couple cars in the shop here. We got a Hyundai and we got a Porsche in the back. Porsche client's on his way to the shop right now. So what's unique about this vehicle right now is it's brand new. He dropped it off over the weekend. He knows we're busy in the shop. He's scheduled for next week, but he wanted to bring it to our shop. We're gonna let it sit in the shop for a week so it's not outside in the elements. The nice thing is you can see is the sales guy actually did us a big favor. Appreciate the sales guy there. Lehigh Valley Porsche, thank you. He wrote do not remove, do not remove, do not remove. So I was thinking about it. It's kind of exciting to take the wrapping off of your new toy, your new present. So I went ahead and I called the owner last night and said, hey, Chris, look, we got your Porsche here. Before I take the wrapping off, do you want to come in and be part of this process, unwrap your new present, so to speak? So he was pretty stoked that we called and talked to him about that. So he's on his way up. I think it's going to be a neat experience for the client to unwrap his present. Just, you know, something I'm always trying to think, we're always trying to think here at Immaculate Paint Protection, how can we better our client experience? So, you know, if you see something, if you want something, let us know. If it's doable, we'll help you out and we'll do it. So we're going to move the Porsche down to the back in there. We'll get it under the light and we'll take the shipping wrap off. Chris has the new 2021 Macan. You saw us, we took the wrapping paper off. What do you think, Chris, about the experience?
Oh, it was fantastic.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Unwrap your present. That was cool.
Opportunity to have an experience like that before, and I appreciate you inviting me to come over and do that.
Yeah, thanks. We were talking. I was thinking it was pretty cool last night. Like, I almost felt bad. Like, I'm gonna unwrap somebody's gift. So that's why I was calling you, saying, hey man, I know you worked really hard to get this. I know you got a great career as being an engineer and all that. You're repping our shirt, so that means you're a prior client, right?
Yes.
We did, hopefully did.
Porsche Spyder, paint protection film on it. Excellent job.
Thank you,
Couldn't
yes.
be happier with the results.
So we did one Porsche already for this guy for a year, so he's a big baller. He's got 2 Porsches 1 year, and we got both of them. So hopefully that says something about our quality here at Immaculate Paint Protection. Quality, and customer service is what I tell people we do. You agree?
Absolutely.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks, Chris. I'm glad you came out tonight. We're gonna finish up. We're gonna finish the Hyundai tomorrow. Then maybe in the afternoon, at least by Friday, we're ahead of schedule right now. So we'll get working on your Porsche for you. Coming up, you'll see we're gonna do a full front end PPF. The thing we talked about, I didn't show you. I got the box here. We had special order. We did a 72-inch roll of Stek dyno, so DYNOshield, Stek DYNOshield. So we're gonna do one whole piece on your front end. So if we have the 60-inch, we got to splice it in, but we're gonna do a full piece. Yeah, it is a huge hood.
One fender weld to the other, one big hood.
So we'll need, I think we need 66, 67 inches from A-pillar down to the front here. The 72-inch will cover that. So we're gonna do full front end, we're gonna do the rocker panels PPF for you, and then you're gonna get a 3-year ceramic coating, Gyeon flash, 3-year warranty if you never see us again. If you come back every 2 years, 12,000 miles, we will get that it's a 10-year warranty.
Great.
So,
love that.
Awesome. Well, we'll stick around, you'll see the rest of it getting worked on. Thank you.